In the City of Love, there's been an installation with Garvan speakers for 5 years. I'm referring to the multimedia work Viale dei Canti at the Italian Cultural Institute in Paris. 6 wall-mounted Garvan speakers distribute sound along Viale dei Canti, created by internationally renowned composer Stefano Gervasoni. The wall features the famous verses taken from the Night Song of a Wandering Shepherd in Asia by Giacomo Leopardi, interspersed with 4 poems by other famous artists. The graffiti was created using the dusting technique, and the characters were engraved one by one. The work was created thanks to the collaboration of Giuseppe Caccavale, an artist who represented Italy at the Venice Biennale in 2015. Marco Liuni, a mathematician and musician, and Alvise Vidolin, an expert in sound technology, conceived the electroacoustic amplification system. The acoustic speakers in question are the Garvan Sir 16M with 316 stainless steel enclosures suitable for hi-fi outdoor use. All this was organized by the then director Marina Valencize, a charismatic woman who does her job with great passion and enthusiasm, and has maintained a team of professionals who produce the work. If you visit Paris, you can see the institute and the work. To stay updated, subscribe to the channel and like. Thank you. See you soon.